What's up, Speed Scout crew? The 1931 Ford Model A isn't just a vintage ride, it's a rolling monument to American grit. In the depths of the Great Depression, this 40-horsepower hero kept families moving, farmers working, and dreams alive. Now restored classics are roaring back. Let's dive into why this underdog became a legend. Under that iconic chrome grille sat a 201 cubic inch inline-4 engine, pumping out 40 horsepower and 128 pound-feet of torque. Top speed? 65 miles per hour, blazing fast for 1931. But raw power wasn't the point. This engine was bulletproof, sipping fuel at 25 to 30 miles per gallon while surviving dirt roads and punishing loads. Farmers hauled crops, families crossed states, and bootleggers. Well, let's just say the Model A could outrun more than hard times. Priced from $430, about $9,000 today, the Model A democratized mobility. Ford offered 17 body styles, from sleek roadsters to rugged trucks. The town sedan seated 5 in relative comfort, while the station wagon, wood panels included, became the SUV of its era. Even banks bought Model A's as mobile loan offices during the crisis. Talk about versatility. While competitors folded, Ford sold 626,579 Model A's in 1931 alone. Secret weapon? Brilliant engineering. 3-speed manual transmission, a first for Ford. 4-wheel mechanical brakes for safer stops. Hydraulic shock absorbers smoothing bumpy rides. Add stainless steel trim and color options beyond basic black, and you've got a Depression-era diamond. This wasn't just transportation. It was hope on wheels. The Model A starred in photos of Dust Bowl migrations and became the first car for millions. Even Al Capone reportedly owned one. By 1932, over 4.8 million had rolled off lines, creating a used car market that kept America mobile. Restored Model A's now fetch $20,000 to $50,000, with rare models like the convertible cabriolet hitting 6 figures. Modern upgrades? Think 12-volt electrical systems and synchro-mesh transmissions. But purists keep it real. 3.77 to 1 rear gears still sing that vintage whine on highways. Would you cruise a Model A today? Smash like for vintage vibes, subscribe Speed Scout, and comment your favorite body style. Tudor sedan or rumble seat roadster. Let's keep history rolling.